Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Abdullah and you are watching the Code with Programmer channel. So in this video we are going to start a new series of an Android application, and that application is of type real estate, and we have named it Upload Finder. Recently I upload a video related to this application where I show all the functionalities, all the activities and all the main functions of that application. So before starting this video you must have watched that first for at least one time, so for better understanding of this tutorial. So we are going to start this application from scratch, and we are using Java for backend and Firebase database for real-time database. So those who are interested in this application, please subscribe the channel and comment if you have any query. So before starting this video, I must tell you that there are many advantages of learning this application. So the first benefit of this application is that you can learn the backend of Firebase. What are the main functions that we are going to use in this, and how the hierarchy of database is. Secondly, you are going to use or learn many libraries that we are going to use, and especially the API of Google that we are going to implement in it, and many SDKs we are going to use, such as Facebook SDK or Google SDK. You can learn how to upload an image on Firebase database and its UI to the real-time database, how to retrieve it, and also you are going to learn how to use the fragments. Basically the fragments are some difficult types, so you can easily understand how they are going to implement this application and how you can use them. So there are some animations in recycler view or some between the views that you are going to learn. So there are many stuff that you are going to learn, so please stay with us or subscribe the channel, so you should be notified whenever I upload the next video. So wasting any further time, let's start the tutorial. So create a new project and name it whatever you want. Select an empty activity for this, then select or type the name of your project. I'm choosing Plot Finder, then finish. It takes some time to build Gradle, so wait for some time. So after it successfully built the Gradle, create a new activity that will be empty and named it to Login activity. Named it Login activity and press finish. So close the other tabs. So firstly we will check the design. So you can see here there is a cross button in the top right side of the screen, and below it text view, and down there are edit texts, then button, then there is some view, then again two buttons, and then text view. So firstly we have to create select split and select the layout. We will use linear layout. So after selecting the layout, we can use orientation of the layout that will be vertical. Okay, so first create a view that will be image view. Width will be wrap and wrap. named it id cross back. Okay, so set gravity, layout gravity will be right, and background, sorry, the background, for background we have to select an image, and we can select the image from the drawable vector assets. So type here cross search here it is, this is close. Okay, select it, rename it to close or cross, then type next and then finish, and select here at the rate of drawable cross. You can say here that this is not looking good, so give it to margin of 10 dp and tint it to black. So this is attribute of app, so we have to change it to app, not product. So it is changes some light color. Open it and change from 10 to black. Okay, now check it. Yeah, this is now purely black color. Okay, after this or below this, what we have to do is we have to select a text view. Width will be match and height we should give it to wrap. So what the text should it contain? It contain welcome to plot finder. Okay, give margin from left 10 dp. Okay, wait, what we can do is we can give margin in the main layout, that will be 10 dp. Okay, and in image it is not necessary now. So welcome to plot finder, we should give text color to black, style, sorry, text style, text, this is text style will be bold, italic, and text size is important, what it to be 24. So you can see in the image we have something like this, or margin from top is something more. So give it to margin from top 10 dp. Okay, now welcome to plot finder, give it some more 15. Okay. So below this we are going to use some edit text. No, we are going to use material design. Okay, not we are going to use simple edit text, we are going to use material designing to look more great. So for this we have to add dependency of material design. So go to Gradle script and select app build.gradle, and down here in the dependency comment material design and paste here the dependency of library of material design. So sync it. I upload this library in the description. Okay, or you can easily get it from Google. So it syncs successfully. So now we can use here the some material design. So for this we select text input layout, that width will be match parent, height will be wrap. Okay, inside text input layout we select edit text, that width will be match and height will be wrap. Okay, so give it to margin top 20 dp. Okay, and let's check first what is this. So you can see here email address, or the boundaries are some light color. Okay, set hint, hint will be email address. Okay, so set this background to at the date of Android transparent. Copy this and paste in the edit text. Okay, now this is it. So box stroke color. Okay, box stroke color, we can select it to color black. You can see that when we choose text input layout, then what will happen, then there is no box around it, as we can see in the diagram that there is a box inside which there is an email address written in it. Okay, so to get this box, what we have to do is first we have to go to build.gradle, and in dependency remove this that we have recently added and update with it Android X, Sport Design, and sync it. So now after a successful sync, what you have to do is you have to add style, and that will be outline box, and you can see that it is not working. Okay, why it is not working, we have added a background that will be transparent, so we have to remove this from the edit text. Now check, yes, we get our box. So the box stroke color we have entered is black, so when we click in it, the box stroke color will be black. Okay, so after this copy and paste this text input layout and paste below it email address, and we want it for password. As you can see here, there is a password. Okay, so hint will be password, and inside text input layout we have to enable the password toggle. Password toggle, enable it equal to true, and we have to change the color of this image. Okay, so for this we have select password tint to black. Okay, it changes to black. As you can see here, we have completed this. So below this we have to add a button. Please select Android.widget button, not only button. Okay, so layout width will be match and height will be, we should give it to 55 dp. So the background will be, give it to black. So as you see here that there is some green color, so we have to add this color in our values. So select green color value. So the green color, this is okay. Select this and go to project, again select values and color this time. So Control D and select and set this name to green. Okay, close it. So background we give Background we will give it to green, as you can see, some greenish color. And then as you see, this is some dark color. We need some light. Okay. Check this. No, this is the same, so we can select from here. It is some check it. Yeah, this is good. So you can see it is much good. So now give the margin top of 10 pp. Let me check from the image. It is the same margin, that will be 20. The text will be login. And text size will be 24 sp. Okay. Let me check here. No. Sign in and text is white. Okay, the sign sign in, and text color we should give it to bold, and text color is color. Okay. Sign in and text size, I think it will be better if it is 20. Okay. So below sign in we have something like this. So for this, what we can do, we can create another linear layout. Linear layout set width will be match, height will be wrap, and orientation this time will be horizontal, and select view. Okay. Set width equal to 50p. Okay. Height equal to 1 dp, and color, what it should be text, no color. Okay, let me check it from design. Set attributes. Okay, background. So we set the background to black. Okay, so set the linear layout gravity to center. Okay, center, and margin top will be 20. Copy it, paste it. Okay, so between two views set a text view, wrap, and text will be, or text color will be black, text style will be bold, text size will be 18 sp. Okay, so close it. You can see here. Okay, it looks fine. So give this view some margin from right. Margin right will be something like 3 dp. Give this view margin left 3 dp. Okay, now check. Yeah, it's going fine. So below this we have to add Facebook button and Google button. So for Facebook we can use Facebook SDK, and that will give us Facebook button itself and Google. So for Google we have to make by own, but Facebook will give us a Facebook button. We have not we have we have not we are not going to make or design the Facebook button, but we are going to use a default Facebook button. So for this, go to Google and you have something down SDK. Here it is. This is the library. Enter Facebook SDK. So add the latest release, that is 506, and sync it. So it will sync. Okay, Facebook login button. Width will be match parent and height will be 50 dp. Padding top. Okay, padding top 15 dp. Yeah, it is changing. Okay, from padding bottom, that also 15 dp. Okay, so we can change the height 75. Okay, now it is matching with the sign in button. Okay, below this we can create Gmail. Okay, card view. Width will be match parent. Height will be around 55 dp. Okay, give a margin top, that is 20 dp. Okay, give this button, Facebook button, also the margin top 20 dp. Okay, so, and you can see in the diagram that its boundaries are of black color. Okay, so we can go to drawable, and here we create a drawable resource file. Okay, so set card view boundary. Okay, so press OK. We have to select here shape, and shape will be of rectangle. What we have to change is we have to give it to stroke. Stroke is basically the boundary of anything. Okay, set color to black, width to 2 dp. Okay, so we have to round it. So select an attribute corner, radius will be 2 dp. You can see that it is rounded to some extent. Give it to 5 dp. So we can go in card view, select background, drawable card view. So why it is not showing? Okay, select solid, color to black, sorry, black, no black, white. Now it is not changing. So what we can do is we can change color, Android color transparent, and inside card view we choose a linear layout of match parent, and match parent orientation is horizontal, and set the background of the linear layout to this background. I select background this. Okay, it is now changed. You can see here that the boundary of the card view is now changed. So the size I think is greater, is larger, no? Okay, so for Gmail icon we can go to Google, and from Google there is a website named Flat Icon. From there we can get this button, Gmail. So we can use simple select around 32 pixel. So copy this Gmail, copy, and then go to Android Studio, and in Android Studio right click on the drawable and paste here. Change the name to only to Gmail, then press OK. Then select in the linear layout, select image view, wrap, and background drawable Gmail. Let me minimize it. Okay. Change the pixel to 24 dp and 24 dp. Set the gravity to center. Okay, give the margin to 5 dp. Best. Now you can see that still the icon is large, so change it to 16 dp. Now it look fine. So margin, only we have to give the margin from left to 10 dp. Now it is fine. So select a text view, width will be match parent, height will be match parent, gravity will be center, text will be continue with Gmail. So sorry, layout gravity, not a simple gravity. So set text color to black, and text size will be continuous. No, it is big, so 16 is big. As you can see here that the button continue with Gmail is something looking bigger than continue with Facebook button. So either we can increase the Facebook button, yeah, it is better. So increase the Facebook button. Margin top height. So margin top I should give it to 10, 20. Let it be to 20, and margin bottom 20. Now it is great. So what is remaining? We can see that there is a text field, need an account, question mark, then sign up for moving the sign up screen. So for this we again select a linear layout, match parent, match parent. Okay, so orientation this time horizontal, text view set wrap, text size will be around 14 sp, text color will be color.black, and text will be continue with create account and then question mark, then again a text view with wrap, text will be sign up. Okay, text color will be, we can give it to green, text style bold, text size will be 15 sp. Okay, so set the attribute gravity center, only gravity center and top margin top 20 dp. So this is our final product. You can see it is looks great. Type here need an account and continue with Google, call it plus. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.